Claude Code version 2.1.20. 13 bug fixes, 5 new features, 9 improvements. The highlights: session resume now works properly, PR status shows right in your prompt, and Vim arrow keys finally behave. Let's break it down. Sessions now resume correctly. No more loading your entire conversation history when you come back. Session compaction actually compacts. Your context stays intact and sessions load fast. This was one of the most requested fixes. PR review status now appears in your prompt. Green dot means approved. Orange means changes requested. Yellow means pending review. No more switching to GitHub to check if your PR got approved. It's right there in your terminal. Vim users. Arrow keys now work in normal mode for history navigation. Plus, the syncing indicator got a new Shimmer animation. Teammate messages render full Markdown, and config backups now rotate properly. Small touches, big difference. Update now, type Claude update. Full changelog at the link below.